Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Cut a napa cabbage lengthwise and trim 1 inch off the core. Remove any damaged outer leaves and have heads into quarters for easier salting and handling. Salt with 1/2 cup coarse sea salt, massage salt between leaves, and soak the cabbage in water for 2 hours so leaves soften and release moisture. Rinse thoroughly and drain for 30 minutes before you make the paste. This controls final saltiness and texture and prevents overly soft kimchi. Blend 6 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, and 3 tablespoons fish sauce to form a smooth aromatic base for the kimchi paste. Mix 1 cup Korean red pepper flakes with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1/2 cup water to hydrate the flakes and balance heat with sweetness. Add 1 medium Dakin radish shredded and 3 green onions sliced into 2-inch pieces to the paste for texture and freshness. Combine thoroughly so each leaf will be evenly coated when layering the kimchi. Pack kimchi tightly into jars leaving 1-inch headspace and press out air pockets to prevent unwanted oxygen exposure. Ferment at 65 to 72 degrees F for 2 to 5 days on a countertop, tasting daily until you reach your preferred tang and effervescence. Colder rooms slow fermentation while warmer rooms speed it. Refrigerate after fermentation to slow activity. Kimchi will continue to develop flavor in the fridge and last several weeks to months when kept.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.